Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss lesson 27 adverbs. So as you can see in your screen, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective and another adverbs. Okay, so with the help of these lines, the definition, you can see that adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb. Okay, a verb, adjective and another adverb. So here you will not say that adverbs only modifies verb, but it also modifies adjective and another types of adverbs. With the help of example I will explain you. Here you can see that example written, he sings loudly. He sings loudly. So here sings is verb, okay, and loudly is adverb. Clear? So here sings is modifying by the adverb loudly. So how he sings? So he sings loudly. So here adverb loudly which modifies verb sings. So I hope this is clear how it is going to modify adverb. So very tall. Tall is an adjective. The word very is adverb. So adverb very is modifying the word tall. Okay, and how it is going to modify another adverb? So you can see that is written too quickly. So the word quickly, QUICKLY, so it is already added with ly, so it is an adverb which is modifying with the word to, and to is also adverb. So in this way we can say that how easily it always modifies verb, adjective and another adverb. Clear? Now see kinds of adverb. So the first kind we can see that adverbs of time. Okay, adverb of time tells us about the beta, it is time. Okay, it is typed mistaken here, so you can write here time. Okay, these tell us about the time of an action and answer the question when. Answer the question when in the relation to the verb. So it is always ask question, no, answer question when, and it is somewhere tells about the time of the action. So they arrived today. So the word today is adverb of time, which is somewhere related to the verb. What is that? Arrived. Clear? Now the second is adverbs of place. What is adverbs of place? So adverbs of place, that is that always tells us about the location of an action and answer the question where. Adverb of place always tell us about the location of an action and answer the question where in the relation to the verb. So to find a hotel we will need to walk further. Here you can see the word further is somewhere related to to a place, is somewhere related to a place. So it is also related with the verb walk further. It means we have to somewhere walk where, to this place to this place. So it is why, that is why it is related to adverb, or it is related to the location of an action. Okay, next is adverbs of manner. So these tells us about these tell us, it is not tells, these tell us about the quality of the action and answer the question how. Always related to the quality of the action. So she debates fiercely. How she debates? Fiercely. Okay, adverbs of degree, which always talk about the intensity of the action and modifying the verb, adjective and or an adverb. So see that it is too cold outside to go for a walk. Intensity of the action. So intensity of the action, too cold outside. What is the intensity of that action here? So intensity of action, that says that it is too cold to go outside. So the word to is somewhere an adverb which modifies the adjective. What is that? Okay, adjective, what is that? Cold. So cold is what? Intensity of the action. Clear? Now adverb of frequency. So they always tell us how frequently an action take place and answer the question how often. How frequently the action take place. She has allowed students. She has often allows. Okay, she has often allows the students to talk in the class, or you can say that she has never allowed. Okay, I always take bath, always, and then I uh, I take bath daily. Okay, so these words are daily is an adverb, so these words are somewhere related to adverbs of frequency. Now the next point is adverb of reason. You can see that because, since, as, and that, they all are related to reason and they tell us why some action took place. So since she is the oldest child, she took the responsibility of taking care of everything. So since she was, as she was the oldest, so that is why there is a reason to take the responsibility of everything. One more example I will make you explain that she is not allowed to go outside at night because she is a girl. Okay, there is a reason. What is that? At night, and also she is a girl, so she is not allowed to go outside. So these are the adverbs of a reason. Now next point is adverbs of negation. What is negation? Where we have these words. What types of word? Almost, never, no longer, hardly, rarely, scarcely, and not. They always related to the words of negation. See example, she hardly comes to Delhi. So here hardly is the negation. What means there are very few chances to come to Delhi for her. And the second says they are not the richest people around the town, you know. So the word are not are the verbs of negation. Scarcely had she spoken when the bear appeared out of now here. The word scarcely again showing the adverbs of negation. So the word negation is somewhere related to the meaning of no. The meaning of no and not. Okay. These all are somewhere having a sense of not. Clear? Was not, have not, like that, are not. Now the eighth point is adverbs of affirmation, where negation was having the meaning of not, as adverbs of affirmation having the meaning of yes. So there are some positive things. So see the words like certainly, definitely, exactly, doubtedly, obviously, really, positively, truly, sure are some of these words which shows affirmation. You know, affirmation, there are rigid thing. Certainly I will do this, so there is what? Positive thing. You can come, you can go to the school, and he is definitely not come. So these words are always shows what? Affirmation and positive things. Now interrogative adverbs. So interrogative adverbs are always used for asking question. When are you leaving for airport? So interrogative word of time. You know, adverb of time is given here when. And the same where and the same the second point says where are my shoes? So about to place it is saying that where are my shoes? Adverb of place. Okay, how far is the post office from here? The interrogative verb is used for degree. So these things are related to adverb of interrogative adverbs. Clear? Now 10th point is relative adverbs. Relative adverbs are those adverbs which refers back to the action in the sentence and modify verb, or they modify adjective. See example, refers back. You have to only remember here that that these adverbs always refer back to the action. See, I remember the day when I first met her. Relative adverb of the time when is given. Okay, so when I met her, that is reflecting back to the Same thing, the action that I remember the day when I met her. So it is referring back. So relative adverbs are the adverbs which always refers back to the action in a sentence and modify verb. And here you can see that it is modifying verb when. Okay, sentence adverb is what? So sentence adverb modify a complete sentence, not a part of it. Till here we explain and we see we have seen that there are some parts which is described by the adverb, but here a full sentence is going to be described by sentence adverb. So you see how they are usually formed by adding ly to the adjective and are placed at the beginning of the sentence. Two things only you have to remember here. It always describes the full sentence and adding, and it is usually formed by adding ly and always placed at the beginning of the sentence. Obviously he is too weak to move. Expression, to express an opinion. So for expressing an opinion, the word obviously is used and it is modifying the full sentence. And again the next word is surely. See that it also comes in the beginning of the sentence, as I explained here. That also comes in the beginning. She is not going to leave us. So here it is asking surely a rhetorical question. Surely she is not going to leave us, a question mark. So these are sentence adverb. Okay students. Now here exercise. For exercise I will explain exercise in the next video. So till that time, thank you so much and have a nice day.